everyone, welcome to today's session. In our last session, we are discussed about multiplication table of 6, 7, 8 and 9. Studio book page number 91 children. Activity number 4.3 look deep activity. Observe the two examples. Here example 1 and example 2 is given. We have to observe the example, then we have to answer the down questions. First see the first example. It consists of one box has 4 eraser. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes. So, 6 groups of 4 erasers. So, 6 into 4 equal to 24 eraser in total. In example 2, there are 6 eraser in one box. Like that, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So 4 groups of 6 eraser. So 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Here example 1 6 groups of 4. Example 2 4 groups of 6. See, the product will be same. The number also will be changed. 6 into 4, here 4 into 6. So we get a product in 24. What do you notice about the answer of the two examples? See the two answers. Then you have to tell me any fact will be given. Yes, the product of two examples will be same. Right? Both the products are same. Next, page number 92 in your studio book children. Why do you think so? Why you are saying the both product are same? Because 6 into 4 and 4 into 6 will be 24. That's only we are saying that product of 6 into 4 and 4 into 6 will be same. This is the answer for this activity children. Next we have to move on to next topic. The number that needs to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. The number with which we multiply is called the multiplier. And the answer is called the product. The three words are new one for you. Word multiplicand. 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 Then multiplier. 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 The answer will be called it as product. product. For example, it's given as 6 into 4 equal to 24. See, the first number, it is called it as multiplicand. The number that needs to be multiplied. We have to multiply the number with another number. It is called it as multiplicand. Then it is called it as multiplier. The number with which we multiply is called it as multiplier. We have to multiply the number with this. So we have to call it as this number as multiplier. The answer will be the product. Then mark the multiplicand, multiplier and product for example 2 given in Look Deep 4.3. See, in Look Deep activity, the second example will be 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So, the first number will be called it as, yes, multiplicand. Write the answer here children. The second number will be called it as, yes, multiplier. The answer will be called it as product. These three are very, very important, children. Next, changing the order of numbers does not change the product. This is the last example explanation, children. Because we are seeing 6 into 4 and 4 into 6 will be the same. That's only explaining here. Changing the order of number does not change the product. The 2 will be the answer is 24. It's only explains here. See, 6 minus 4 also 24. 4 minus 6 also 24. It's only the changing order does not change the product. Now, next one. Companion activity 4C. This is your home fun. Companion book, page number 33, children. Companion activity 4C. This is your home fun. Fill in the blanks. Option A. 7 into 5 equal to 5 into dash. What we have to write here? Yes, number 7. Then you have to write the answer for these two. Because we are changing the order of numbers, then we have to write the product. Then you have to fill all the dashes. Pause the video here. Completed, children. Complete these activity and upload it in Chrysalis app, children. Next, studio book, page number 93, children. Activity number 4.4. Fill in the blanks with all possible multiplication facts. For each number, one has been done for you. Here, number 1 is given. The product will be 8. You have to write the multiplication fact. For example, 18. The multiplication fact will be 2 9s are 18. We have to change the order. 9 2s are also 18. Then 3 6 are also 18. 6 3s are also 18. Can you understand, children? For the second sum, 16. For 16, 4 4s are 16. We have to change the order. 4 4s are 16. Then 8 2s are also 16. Then 2 8s are also 16. Next, number 3, 40. You have to get a product as 40. 5 8s are 40. We have to change the order. 8 5s are also 40, children. Then 10 4s are also 40. 4 10s are also 40. For the fourth question, 2s are 12. That we have to change the order. 2 6 are also 12. The another table will be 3 4s are 12. Then 4 3s are 12. This is the possibility of multiplication facts of one number. Now, children, you have to take your note. I am going to give example for this sum. You have to do the multiplication fact for that numbers also. The number will be 20 and 36. Write in your note and write the multiplication facts of the given numbers, children. Next, page number 94 in your studio book, children. Let us take two multiplication facts with the sum multiplier. For example, let us use 6 into 2 and 7 into 2. Keep the multiplier constant and add only the multiplicants and products. See, 6 into 2 equal to 12. 7 into 2 equal to 14. We have to write the multiplier as constant. You have to write the number 2 like that, children. Then we have to add the multiplicand and product of the numbers. See here, multiplicants are 6 and 7. So we have to add the number. 6 plus 7 will be 13. So we have to write the number 13 here. Then here answers are 12 and 14. We have to add the two numbers. 12 plus 14 we have to get 26. So then we are finding the new multiplication fact. 13 2s are 26. This is the answer for this multiplication facts. This gives us the multiplication fact of number 13. Then let us try the same by subtracting the multiplication facts. Here we are using addition, then we have to use subtraction. Let us use 8 into 9 and 5 into 9. First we have to write the number 8 into 9, then 5 into 9. 8 into 9 will be 72. 5 into 9 will be 45. We have to write the multiplier as a constant. See here, you have to write number 9 as it is. Then we have to do the subtraction for multiplicand and product. 8 minus 5 will be number 3. 72 minus 45 will be number 27. If it is you don't answer, you have to do subtraction. 2 minus 5, it's not possible, so you have to taking carry over from 7. So 12 minus 5 will be 7. 6 minus 4 will be 2. So we are getting 27. Then this gives us the multiplication fact of number 9. 3 into 9 equal to 27. This is new multiplication factor. By adding or subtracting two multiplication facts with the same multiplier, we can build another. We can use same multiplier, we can get another multiplication fact of the same number by adding or subtracting of two multiplication facts. Like that we have to get any multiplication fact of numbers. Hope you all understand, children. Next, studio book page number 95, children. Look deep activity, activity number 4.5. Write the even numbers that fall between 1 and 20. We have to write the number fall between 1 and 20 as even numbers. 1 and 20 between even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. These are all the even numbers between 1 and 20, children. Next question will be, can these form the products of a multiplication table? If yes, which one? See, these all numbers can made up of two table. Because 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. So, we can make multiplication table of these number. Yes, we can make a multiplication table. It can form the multiplication table of 2. We have to make a multiplication table of 2 using these number. Next, companion activity 4D. This is your home fun. This is your companion book, children. Activity number 4D in companion, page number 34. Be a number detective. Find the unknown number for each statement. They are giving one statement. You have to find the number for this statement, children. First one, this number multiplied by itself is 25. We are multiplying two numbers. We have to get the number 25 as a product. What is the number? You have to find out all the numbers for the given statement. Pause the video here. Write all the answers for the questions. Complete it and upload it in Chrysalis app, children. Next, studio book, page number 95, children. Look around activity, activity number 4.6. How does a bus conductor use multiplication table in his job? Discuss with your partner. In bus conductor job, he is facing some passenger to collect the money. Then he will pay the money to the company. Here he will use the multiplication table for dividing the money in groups. This is one example for this question. You have to write your response in this dash kana. Now I am going to write here dividing the money in groups. For he is using multiplication table here, children. You can write any your response, write your statement here, children. Complete it. Next, companion activity, activity 4A. This is your home fun, children. This is companion book, page number 35, children. Activity 4E. Fill in the blanks. Write the multiplication fact for each statement. Here one elephant is given. First question, 4 elephants have dash legs. Here you have to use the multiplication fact of the given statement, children. Second one, 3 years have dash months. Here also you have to use multiplication fact. Then third one, 5 cars have dash wheels. One car have 4 wheels, mean 5 car has how many wheels? You have to use the multiplication fact. Fourth question, 3 bicycle have dash wheels. One bicycle have 2 wheels, means 3 bicycle have how many wheels? Use the multiplication fact. Question number 5, 2 dozens have dash eggs. 1 dozen consists of 12 eggs, means 2 dozen have how many eggs? You have to use the multiplication facts. Use the multiplication facts, then complete this activity and upload it in Chrysalis app, children. Next, studio book, page number 96, children. Think and ink activity, activity number 4.7. Use any 2 tables from 1 to 9 and build another multiplication table. Use the graphic organizer. We have to use the graphic organizer, then we have to build a 1 to 9 table to find another table of the given. Here I am going to do one sum. 5 into 1 equal to 1. 5 ones are 5. 2 ones are 2. Here I am going to use addition. So 5 plus 2 will be 7. We have to write a multiplier as it is. So 1. 5 plus 2 will be 7. Like that, you have to do all the sums and check your answers, children. Pause the video. Do it by yourself, children. See, children, here I am writing my response for the given sums. Done. One question is asking the multiplication table of dash and dash gave the multiplication table of dash. Multiplication table of 2 and 5 gave the multiplication table of 10. For example, 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10. Here it will be reflect as 1 10s are 10. See, 2 5s are also 10. Here 1 10s are 10. It is the answer for the sum. Till this, now you can derive the multiplication table of 6, 7, 8, 9. If it is yes, means tick it over here. Create different multiplication table by adding or subtracting table already learnt. If it is yes, means tick it over here. In this class, we are discussed up to multiplicand, multiplier, product of the given numbers, then how to create new table of already known table. Bye bye children. We will meet in next session. Bye bye.